Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cars Mania. The future of American muscle has arrived, and it's electrifying. Meet the 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona EV, a groundbreaking innovation that blends classic muscle car heritage with cutting-edge electric performance. This beast isn't just about raw power, it's a bold statement in design, technology, and performance. Before watching the video, kindly like and subscribe channel by hitting the bell icon. The exterior design is unmistakably Dodge but with a futuristic twist. The aggressive front fascia features the iconic Fratzonic chambered exhaust system, which replicates the classic muscle car roar, despite being fully electric. The front grille is sleek and aerodynamic, while the signature LED lighting adds a modern flair. The sculpted body lines and muscular stance give the Charger Daytona EV a commanding presence on the road. With 20-inch alloy wheels and a low-slung profile, this car screams speed and sophistication. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that perfectly balances luxury and performance. Premium materials, from leather upholstery to carbon fiber accents, create an upscale ambiance. The driver-centric dashboard boasts a massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.1-inch infotainment screen with the latest Uconnect system. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system ensure a connected and immersive driving experience. The ambient lighting and customizable digital displays further enhance the futuristic vibe, while the spacious rear seats provide comfort for passengers on longer rides. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the chassis, lies Dodge's all-electric powertrain, powered by the revolutionary 800-volt Banshee platform. With dual electric motors, the Charger Daytona EV delivers jaw-dropping acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds. The all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and handling, while the multi-speed or-up transmission offers a dynamic driving experience that mimics the feel of traditional gear shifts. The estimated range is around 300 miles on a full charge, making it not only powerful but practical for daily driving. On the road, the Charger Daytona EV is a true powerhouse. The suspension system is tuned for both comfort and performance, allowing you to tackle tight corners with ease. The regenerative braking system enhances efficiency while giving you precise control. And with different drive modes, including Sport, Track, and Eco, you can tailor the driving experience to match your mood and road conditions. The 2025 Dodge Charger Daytona EV is expected to start at around $50,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $90,000 depending on performance upgrades and additional features. For those who crave the thrill of muscle car performance with zero emissions and cutting-edge technology, this EV is a game-changer. So, whether you're a die-hard Dodge fan or an EV enthusiast, the Charger Daytona EV 2025 is here to redefine what electric performance truly means. What do you think about this electrifying beast? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting car reviews.